I have a Dream Learning Daycare Center. I'm the owner there, and this is
Miss McBride. I'm the baby's room head teacher. We've been using the crib sheets for about 2.5 years. They've been holding up. The color is great. The elasticity of the sheets is great. The babies feel very comfortable using the sheets, and so we think it's a really great product.
Yeah, and what about the washing?
Right, they've held up through the wash over 2.5 years, so you can usually tell the quality of a product based on how many times you've washed it. And so since we've had it thus far, it's been holding up, and we've had no problems with the sheets. Right, and we can definitely attest to that. They've held up for quite a while, through all the babies, crawling around on them, spitting up on them, and putting them through the laundry. We do laundry once a week here, so they've been through hundreds of washes so far, and they've held up great. Okay, thank you so much.